Hello guys, welcome to Daily Podcast Stream with Tyne. In today's screencast, we are going to discuss about MySQL Server on macOS. When we make a backend or web programming, we need a database. Today's my chosen database is MySQL. So how we set as MySQL on Mac, and then how we connect and check our table from our database client software. So let's get started. Believe me, this is not a deep dive programming class, so don't worry if you are not a programmer. So this is just I think this postcard is everyone can listen and understand. So I will try and explain as much as possible. Let's think about Laravel development. So we mostly use PHP MyAdmin and then manage from the web page. Most developer does. But in our today podcast, I will use MySQL server directly install into our macOS. So there is a brew command. I think brew is software installer for macOS. It's like apt for Ubuntu. So if you haven't installed brew, just try to install it first. So we need to install MySQL server. So brew install MySQL like this, press enter. So most of the time the default configuration is okay. So for my computer I have installed, so let me skip this step. After that we need to log in into our MySQL server like this, MySQL, that's root, this is default. Yes, so we are logging to MySQL local server. So when we write a backend or our application, so for the development purpose we can use our local MySQL database. Okay, show database, DATABASES. So it lists me all the available database here. So let's create a new database in this tutorial. Yes, so uh, create okay, database YouTube demo. Press enter. Okay, syntax error. So let me try it again. Create database like this. Okay, now we successfully create our database. So let's check it again. Show database. Then you can see our database here, the last one. So we are going to use it. Used. Okay, now our typing all the command will affect to YouTube demo database. So let's create a tables in this YouTube demo database. So most of the time this is made by the migration from the Laravel or something like this. But in this screencast, so I will try create a database from this terminal. Press enter. Okay, now we have MySQL server install, and then YouTube demo database created, and then we have a table name. Here you can see hello. We already created a hello table. So let's check from the UI. So for the UI, so I used SQL Ace. This is free and very lightweight, and I also suggest you to try it. There's a many MySQL client like Table Plus or many others. So for my use case, I want to be, it is a very lightweight and first. So this SQL Ace is very good for me. So I use it. So let's try to connect our database. So we can name it. It is optional. So we left this blank, and then go for the host. It is MySQL server is now installed and running on this machine. So we need to use localhost localhost. Okay, and then our username is root, password is blank, and then we need to define the database. So what is our database? So you can see here's YouTube demo database like this. Okay, and then let me try task connection. Yes, connection successful. Then try to connect it. Yes, so we have successfully connected with our database from GUI. Using the SQL MySQL client. So this is our table. So you can see here's IDs, name, image, and created at. So ID, name, image, and created at. So like this. Okay. So we don't need to use the PHP MyAdmins every time. So we can use like this. So install MySQL ourselves, and then we can configure our MySQL client like this. So this is just only a demonstration. So we can try to connect a MySQL server from our VPS or RDS services. So we can connect. Let me try demonstrate. Control N. So let me press new demo, and then if our MySQL server is located on VPS, AWS, like say, or EC2 or DigitalOcean, Droplet, or something like that, so we need to connect SSH first. So like this. So here is the SSH host. So we need to add our server IP address here. We need to add the username, and then we need to browse for our SSH file. And then here it is very easy. This one is also localhost, and then username, password, database, and then port number if you have changed to a new number like that. So if you haven't changed, it is the phone number. Very good. So there is you need to understand, when we connect a MySQL connection from a VPS, there is two layers. The one is we try to connect our VPS with SSH first, then our clients get access to the VPS with SSH, then VPS is become our localhost. So you need to understand that concept. That's why we use localhost, username, password, etc. So it is the same step. We make a database on VPS like this. So we can install MySQL server on our VPS, or you can use the AWS RDS services, and then try to log in to our MySQL service, and then list the database, and then create a database like this, database table like this. So okay, so today's podcast is this is today's podcast. So see you tomorrow, and bye bye.